Can you actually buy a home in the UK with your partner if they're on a visa? So the short answer is yes, but there is a catch. And most couples don't find this out until it's too late. The really common situation I see is where one partner either has British citizenship or ILR/settled status and the other doesn't. And maybe that other partner has just moved here, and that's quite commonly then on a spousal visa. So let's break down what you actually need to know, what's possible, and what to avoid. So, firstly, yes, joint applications are possible. Lenders will assess both people on the application, so their income, credit history, visa status, how long they've lived in the UK. If one partner has British citizenship or indefinite leave to remain, and the other is on a spouse visa or maybe even a skilled worker or health and social care visa, then you've got options. Lenders will normally consider this application, and it can be possible with as little as 5%. It's important to state that the deposit requirements will vary quite heavily depending on the lender, and there are still a lot of lenders in the market that would say no or decline. What if your partner doesn't have UK status at all? And by that, I mean they don't currently have a visa or they're just visiting, so they're not living here long term yet. Now, that's where things would get very complicated, and it's normally not possible to proceed on that basis. That's why working with someone who knows the foreign national space is so important, because we know which lenders are more flexible and which aren't. There's always a way forward at some point, right? So you just need someone who knows the system inside and out and can help you plan ahead for your situation. So if you and your partner are trying to buy a property or planning ahead to buy one, and you're really unsure about how your visa situation will affect your chances, feel free to drop a question in the comments section below and I'll point you in the right direction. If this video's helped, please do hit like or share it with someone who needs this. Your visa or your partner's doesn't have to be a barrier to home ownership in the UK. You just need the right strategy.